I don't remember exactly what I said to you on the school bus all those years ago. All I remember is that you smiled at me. And ever since then, I don't remember a time I wasn't trying to make you smile. Alyssa Marie, won't you smile for me?
How I knew I loved you was how happy you made me. You knew how to cheer me up and make me smile. I've never had to hold anything back. I felt fully known, and because of that, fully loved.
Welcome family, friends, and loved ones to the wedding of Aaron and Alyssa. We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts as one. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It is standing together and facing the world. It is forming a circle that gathers in the whole family. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is not only marrying the right person, it is being the right partner. Aaron and Alyssa, with your family, friends, and God as your witness, do you present yourselves willingly to be joined in marriage?
We do.
We do.
Do you promise to care for each other in the joys and sorrows of life, come what may, and to share the responsibility for growth and enrichment of your life together?
We do.
Aaron, do you take Alyssa to be your wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only unto her for all the days of your life?
I do.
Alyssa, do you take Aaron to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others, and holding only unto him for all the days of your life?
I do.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I give you my promise
I give you my promise
to honor you,
to honor you,
to be faithful to you,
to be faithful to you,
to share my love and life with you,
to share my love and life with you,
always and forever.
always and forever.
Alyssa, placing this ring on Aaron's finger, please repeat after me. With this ring,
I give you my promise
I give you my promise
to honor you,
to honor you,
to be faithful to you,
to be faithful to
to share my love and life with you,
you, to share my love and life with you,
always and forever.
always and forever. Aaron and Alyssa, from this moment forward, you will never be alone. You will carry with you the love of each other. May your lives together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. And now, Aaron and Alyssa, having entered into the covenant of marriage by the exchanging of vows and the giving and receiving of rings, by virtue of the power vested in me by the state of Maine, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.